Hello instructor, next I'm present my evidence 7 talking about logics workshop. Introduction. Efficient seeks to meet customer requirements by minimizing or eliminating waste or usage or resources. Efficiency of focus solid on meeting customer requirements with paying attention to the use of preparatory or not or resources. How to achieve it? With e-commerce to trade logics. Continuous improvement is necessary to facilitate a strong and stunning growth. Raising price for expenses from energy to labor to raw materials poses a borderline challenge for a business. By improving the efficiency of the logistics process, companies can gain and maintain an average overtake comparison. How to route it? To implement a plan that will successfully optimize your logistics operation. Consider strategies that maximize cost, full utilization production capacity, and improve the overall quality and the customer experience. Consider these four methods to increase logistics efficiency. Maximum storage. By analyze and implement workshops producers, company can more effectively store, model, and ship products. Optimized transportation. The increase in the cost of transportation explains the increase in price in practical and industries. To reduce the transportation costs, company must examine every factor that can increase or decrease the expenses. In conclusion, efficiency is said to meet customer requirements by missing or eliminating waste or usage or resources. Efficiency focuses solely on meeting customer requirements with paying attention to usage appropriate or no resources. Improvement programs. Six Sigma theory. Six Sigma is data-driven approach that segments repetitive business process and is to drive quality to a level close to perfection moreover. Application guidelines. The approach most commonly used with Six Sigma is 1. Define 2. Measure 3. Analyze 4. Improve 5. Control. Six Sigma approach is a customer-focused strategy that, based on facts and data, tries to achieve a level of quality in process that reduces the number and depth and minimizes the variability, which allows for planned performance improvements and increased efficiency. Lean thinking. Theory. Achieve perfect by eliminating waste and operational inefficiencies, while establishing quality. Almost any company can improve its competitiveness by understanding and implementing lean principles and practices. Application guidelines is the antidote to eliminate and king of waste. The elements that describe it are the following: 1. Generate value. 2. Understand the value chain. 3. Encourage flow. 4. Full production. 5. Pursuit of perfection. Approach. If the lean philosophy is any activity that consumes resources, human, machine, or firm, and does not that value to the product or service from the perspective of the end consumer. Theory on constraints. Theory. The theory of constraints is based on premise that the rate or achievement of a goal is limited by at least one constraint process. Only increase the flow through the research can the over margin be increased. Applicant guidelines. This theory appeared in 1980. With the contribution of Elie Coulthard, the theory can be summarized in this following step. Indication 1. Identification on constraints. 2. Exploit constraints. 3. Subordination. 4. Raise restriction. 5. Go back to step 1. Approach. The theory constraint is methodologic and the service of manager that allows directing the company towards the achievement of result in a logical and systematic way, helping to water the principle of business continuity. Similarities and difference between breeding programs. This strategy provides the strategies roadmap to improve business results. The roadmap strategy provides the direction for those areas of the organization that can most benefit the entire system by first playing. The improvements. The system design on the first area provides predicated and established system, performance beacons, and protecting and managing system with constraints. Oscillates to on-premise methodology. One of the main obstacles that arise after the implementation on continuum improvement in company is the resistance to change on the part of the collaborators. Since the majority of the workers and hunting used to a certain way of working. Then you instruct Cesar for your valuable teaching.